something new, interesting, what we didn't ever see. We saw properties of blood. We saw some rules of blood donation, like we want 45 kgs of blood if we have to blood donate. We have to check the blood, it is pure, natural, so we can give. In blood, we have lots of things we have to give if we are donating. So we have to see lots of things like just properties of oxygen base here. Like there is new technology in only in Pune. There are in 2 places. Over here only there is one. And
That is called as?
nucleic acid. It was a great pleasure.